Today I am reviewing the Cuisinart food processor, 14-cup vegetable food chopper. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever spent an hour manually chopping vegetables for a dinner party, you know exactly why the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor has been a kitchen staple for decades. I have been using this specific model for the past 3 months, and while it's not perfect, it is one of those rare appliances that actually lives up to the reputation. Let's start with the power. That 720-watt motor is no joke. I have used it for everything from making thick, heavy bread dough to pureeing chickpeas for hummus, and it never once sounded like it was struggling. It is a workhorse. If you're someone who does a lot of meal prepping on the weekends, the sheer capacity of the 14-cup bowl is a massive time saver. You can shred an entire block of cheese or process enough vegetables for a week of salads in literally seconds. You can check the link below the video if you want to see the current pricing or grab one for yourself. However, there are some quirks you need to be aware of before you commit. The biggest downside is the footprint. This thing is massive. It is heavy, it is tall, and it is going to take up a significant amount of counter space. If you have a small apartment kitchen with limited storage, you might find yourself leaving it out on the counter permanently because it is a hassle to move in and out of a cabinet. Also, while the parts are dishwasher safe, the bowl and the lid have a few nooks and crannies where food can get trapped. You will definitely want to rinse everything off immediately after use to avoid having to scrub it later. The blade situation is another point of contention. It comes with a standard slicing disc and a shredding disc, but they are not adjustable. If you want a different thickness, you are out of luck unless you buy additional accessories separately. For most home cooks, the default settings are perfectly fine, but if you are a stickler for precision, that lack of adjustability is going to be a disappointment. I also found that the feed tube design requires a bit of a learning curve. You have to make sure the bowl is locked in exactly right, or the safety mechanism will prevent it from turning on. It is a great safety feature, but it can be frustrating when you are in a rush and just want to get to work. Despite those minor grievances, the value here is undeniable. Most of the cheaper food processors on the market feel like toys that will burn out after a year of heavy use. This Cuisinart feels like a piece of commercial equipment that was scaled down for the home. The 3-year warranty on the unit and the 5-year warranty on the motor give me a lot of confidence that this is an investment rather than a disposable appliance. So, who is this for? If you are a serious home cook who makes dough, dips, sauces, or large batches of chopped veggies, this is probably the best purchase you can make for your kitchen. It is reliable, fast, and sturdy. If you only occasionally chop a single onion or need something small for quick tasks, this is likely overkill, and you would be better off with a smaller, more compact chopper. You can find a link below to check the current specs and see if it fits your specific kitchen setup. At the end of the day, I have found that I am cooking more often simply because the prep work is no longer a chore. It is loud, it is bulky, and it takes up space, but it does exactly what it is designed to do without any fuss. It is a tool, not a gadget, and in my experience, that is exactly what you want when you are trying to get dinner on the table.